Hello, my name is Elizabeth Casqueiro. I'm a mixed media painter whose work engages architecture as a symbolic and emotional language through which to explore memory, identity, and the human experience. Through mark making, collage, stitching on diverse materials, I try to expand painting beyond its conventional boundaries. I'm drawn to the way we inhabit spaces and how those spaces in turn inhabit us. In this sense, architecture is not simply a built form, but also a repository of aspiration, belief, history, and of emotional life. My work explores the tensions between public and private narratives, attachment and displacement, certainty and ambiguity. The emotional terrain of immigration and the systems of belonging and exclusion remain enduring presences in my work, shaping an ongoing dialogue between personal memories and collective experience. Counterspace brings together two interconnected bodies of work. A series of double-sided banners engage with public symbolism and private interpretation. Large-scale paintings consider experiences of transition and passage. Together they explore the space between collective meaning and lived realities. As these banners rotate, they move between public meaning and private response. Each work is inspired by an iconic Washington, D.C. building. Structures associated with power, justice, faith, identity, mobility, and knowledge. These buildings are deeply embedded in our collective imagination. They carry cultural narratives that often appear fixed and unquestioned. One side of each banner reflects those shared associations, the symbolic language through which these places are commonly understood. The reverse reveals something more personal and less certain. These works ask how structures of authority, belief, and belonging are felt from within. How the same place can evoke pride or unease, protection or exclusion, recognition or distance. The double-sided form is important. It suggests that meaning is never singular or stable. We stand before the same image and carry away different truths. These works reflect the polarized and layered realities of contemporary life. Where public narratives and private experience often exist in tension, and where certitude gives way to complexity, memory, and feeling. The works invite us to look again, beyond the physical buildings. and to consider what these spaces mean to us and what we mean to them. Passage speaks of movement between places, between states of being, between what is known and what is unfolding. We often think of passage as temporary, yet these intervals of movement and transition may be where meaning quietly takes shape.